doing a handstand with the support of this TRX band. It has been months since the last time I've done this. So, and I haven't done Pilates for months now since I switched to the gym. So let's see if I can still do it. I learned this from Pilates. And I just had my coffee, so I'm a little shaky right now. Okay, let's see. I can do it. Yeah, I guess my body remembers. But shaky.